By the early 20th century, there were more than 100 elephant seals on Guadalupe. In 1922, the Mexican government declared them a protected species. And today, about 10,000 of these large and extraordinary creatures that barely escaped extinction thrive on the island. Elephant seals are among the world's largest carnivores. Bulls can grow to a staggering 20 feet and weigh in at up to 3.5 tons. These rocky inlets provide a safe haven, not just to elephant seals, but fur seals and sea lions. Guadalupe is now a protected nature reserve. The only hunter permitted to take down a seal